Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to share with you a little boxing of some Happy Mail I'm sending out to my friend Alisha at Love Letter Generation. We decided to do a little Halloween swap. Haven't done a swap like this with Alisha for a while, so I was really excited when she asked if I'd like to do a Halloween swap. So I just thought I'd take a video of the little goodies and stuff I put together for her because I thought that would be fun to share. So I've just got the box here. I've made all the things, but I'm just going to sort of package them up with you here and share what I made. So I've got this little bundle of some store-bought goodies or some goodies. So I've got a couple of things from the Spellbound collection from, I don't know who it was from, Crepe Paper, American Crafts. It's like a really cute vintagey sort of pink paisley, sorry, Halloween collection. Some of these really sweet ghost stickers from Target, a little set of these gorgeous holographic and gold stars, and some little mini bows. So I'll just make sure I'm in frame. Yep, so I've packaged all those up and I'm just going to pop them in this holographic bag to package them in. And I just put some really cute cut files, but I can't get my machine to work right now, but I thought I might put a cut file on there if I can get it to work before I need to send this off. And then I've got a few of these little treat bags my friend brought me back from America when he was there recently, and I popped this little charm I made on there. So these were some little shrinky dinks I made using the Hey Pumpkin digitals. I probably printed them last year or maybe even the year before, but I just shrunk them and popped them on this little charm. So I'll pop those in there. I'm just working out how I should pop this in. Okay, I'll just put this in. I've just got some little Target stickers here. I've just packaged them up, so I'll squeeze that in. I made a whole bunch of these little pockets, and I've popped some goodies in there, so I will just share those. I've got a little few stickers on one of these ripped paper tags that I made, some samples of washi, and some of these little vintage envelopes, not envelopes, like library card pocket things that I got. I used a little digital label from Daily D and some other little goodies to decorate those, and I'll just pop them in there, pop those bits in the middle, and I'm just going to pop that one in a bag. I will shut everything up properly, but I just wanted to show you the next little goodie I have here is this little mini clipboard that I made, and then I've added some extra bits to this little dangle. And on that little board, I've put one of these gorgeous witchy girls on there that I just stitched on some orange paper. I've got a little sweet embellished mixed media tag, a couple of little vellum shaker things that I decorated, little mini ones that she can use, and I just popped some wee stickers on there, and then one of these sweet little I don't know what we're even going to call this, like a little just embellishment. I made a whole bunch of these and I just popped that on there, so that is really cute. I have some Halloween goodies that I already had pre-packaged, pre-made or started from last year or the year before, so what I've done is just finished them off and added them into here, or I've had some pre-made tags and then I've just added extras and done bits because I find it's really good to have some things made. So I have got this little tag flip, and I'll go through it. I had some of these made, I've made some new ones, and it's just a nice mixture of bits. So here's a little tag, a little sequin shaker with the little girl. This is a little spiderweb charm that was on some Happy Mail I got. This little pocket, I've got some little mini girls and some printed out and cut, and then some of these little sweet Halloween labels from Daily D that I printed and cut out. Here's a little tag, some little sequins that I've just packaged up. A little coffin pocket with some of these strip embellishments, blank ones that Alisha can decorate, and then a couple of little bits of ruffled, this one here is crepe paper, and this one's a little serviette. Another little pocket, and this one has some ring reinforcers, and some little sweet Jimmy stickers, and then just this little piece of paper on the back. Try and get that back in without ripping anyone's legs off. There we go. It's just a little cat acetate, and then here's a couple of little embellishments that I've made and popped on here, and I love this Halloween shaker coffin tag that I made. So there is that all finished, and I'm just going to pop that into this little bag which has some tread and stuff in the bottom, and I'll pop that in there. Oh, and then this is really fun. I made some things like this, I think it was for Christmas maybe, I can't remember, but it's just like a ribbon sampler. So it's like all the different ribbons and trims, and like, you know, like this is some really lovely yarn, and there's glitter, and then there's some elastic, and I get some elastic, and just spider trim and pumpkin trim and star trim, and I've just popped them on this little tag here to keep it all together. But it's just a really pretty way of sending some samples of trim and stuff to a friend in a swap. So I will just pop that in there, and I will package that up. I've also got a little sample of some of this trim that I got from Spotlight, and I just wrapped that up. I've got some little Halloween lollipops and a really sweet little card, and I will finish that all off and package it up and send it off to Alisha, and hopefully it will arrive to her soon and she will really love it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.